Okay, go ahead.
This is the Car Wash-O-Matic. And it is a really great device. Most of it is manual. So let's show a demonstration. Right here.
Wait, let me get in the car. Okay.
Okay, first we crank the conveyor belt under the water thing. Then we pump it. Show a picture.
I'm showing a picture.
Pump it.
And
Spray it with soapy water. Then we crank it along to the rollers, which rinse it a little. Then we go with a rinse stage, where we pump it once more.
Wait,
And it's like a shower.
Alright.
Crank it along again to the drying stage. Then we will switch up.
Ta-da! Okay. Tell them where you came up with the idea for this ingenious invention.
Well, I just thought, lots of people, when I was a little kid, I've always wanted to make little toy car washes.
Mm-hmm.
And so I got